Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2011 Peugeot. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, it's on up there, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, you'll see here, you've got set up music, radio, mode, nav, traffic, and phone. Click on phone. It's already showing Peugeot up here. So it's going to search for the phone there, but if we click on Peugeot, accept pairing request from Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Yes. If it was no, you'd just turn the rotary control there, but that's yes. I need to put a pin in, so I'm going to go for 0, 0, 0, 0 because it's the easiest, and then I have to turn that until we get over to OK, and then click OK to accept. Then 0, 0, 0, 0, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Pairing in progress. How's it paired? Peugeot connected. Phone has been connected. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So that's it. All done. Easy as that.